I want to show you in under 2 minutes how I save an hour of time on summarizing inspection reports and providing a summary to my clients. I've built this AI tool that all I have to do is drop in a list of the things. It's a running list that I keep of things that are often coming up in inspections. It takes that and references it against inspection reports as they come in. Here I have an inspection report that I'm dropping in, and it's going to review it. Now pulls out the summary of findings. The items that I think are higher priority are here. Then it goes to the things that are routine or expected. And then these things weren't on my reference list. So I need to add them. It's better for the next time. It also sees where things are called out as needing attention, but I said are common. I review that. It gives a closing summary. At this point, I say to it, go ahead and type me up an email that I can copy and paste and share with my clients of these findings. Now it's going to do that. I'm going to press send, and here we go. It pops out this email showing the summary of higher priority items, routine and expected, and what the next step should be. Now, I'm going to go ahead and proofread this and make sure it's accurate and true. And sometimes I add more notes to it because I heard what the inspector said. But I take this and I send it off to my clients. And now we can have a conversation about what we need to do for follow-up and what strategy we need to follow to get the best credits and repairs for my clients. And it gives me more time to be present in that way with my clients instead of doing these admin tasks. If this is something that could be helpful to you, go ahead and leave a like or a comment, and I'll follow up when I come around and show or create a course on exactly how I built this. Thanks for watching.